Hi friends, welcome back in our educational YouTube channel, that is Milinda's Ideas. In previous lecture, we had studied the applications of XOR gate, and that applications are control inverter and the parity checker. And in today's lecture, we are going to study the arithmetic application of XOR gate, and the first application, that is half adder. Now what is half adder? In binary arithmetics, in that additions, we have studied 2-bit addition. A and B are the input and sum and carry are the outputs. And when we are going to add the 2 bits, the circuit used is known as a half adder. So what is half adder? What is the definition of half adder? Half adder is defined as the circuit which is used for the addition of 2-bit binary number. That is a half adder. So obviously there are 2 inputs, A and B. When we are going to add the 2 inputs, there are 2 outputs, that is a sum and carry. The Boolean equation for sum is A XOR B, while the Boolean equation for carry is A dot B. So sum is given by A XOR B and carry is given by A dot B. So from this it is clear that to get the addition of 2 bits for the sum, we require XOR gate A XOR B. 2-bit XOR gate is required, and to get the carry output, we require AND gate, that is A dot B. So in half adder, the 2 gates are used. One first, that is a 2-bit XOR gate, and second, that is 2-bit AND gate. The output of XOR gate is sum and output of AND gate is our carry. Now we are going to study the cases. The first case, when both A and B are 0. When both A and B are 0, the output of XOR gate is 0 because the inputs are same, output is 0. And output of AND gate is also 0 because both inputs are low. So sum is 0 and carry is also 0. But when A is 0 and B is 1, one of the input is high. When A is 0 and B is 1, the output of XOR gate becomes high because the input are not same, output becomes high. But output of AND gate still remains low because one of the input is low. So output of AND gate is low while the output of XOR gate is 1. So sum is 1, carry is 0. When A is 1, B is 0, once again the output of XOR gate, that is sum, goes to high level, while output of AND gate, that is carry, still remains low. So sum is 1, carry is low. But when both inputs are high, when both A and B are high, the output of XOR gate is 0 because the inputs are same. So output of XOR gate becomes 0. So sum goes to low level. But the output of AND gate is high because both inputs are high. That means carry is 1. So when both inputs are high, sum goes to 0 level while carry goes to 1 level, high level. That is half adder. What is the truth table? A, B are the input, carry and sum are the outputs. When both A and B are 0, sum 0, carry is also 0. When A is 0, B is 1, sum goes to high level, carry still remains low. When A is 1, B is 0, once again sum goes to high level, carry remains low. And when both inputs are high, the sum goes to low level and carry becomes high. So that is half adder, the circuit which is used for the addition of 2 bits. So इथे आपला हाफ ॲडर संपतंय. इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर आपण हाफ ॲडरचे ड्रॉबॅक जे आहेत, हाफ ॲडरचं ड्रॉबॅक काय, इट इज ओनली यूज फॉर द addition of 2 bits. In next lecture, in next circuit, we are going to remove or we are going to eliminate the drawback of this half adder, and that circuit is known as a full adder, that is basically 3-bit adder, which is going to add the 3 bits. So friends, keep watching for our next lecture, that is a full adder. So thank you. चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा, कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट्स करा. सो बाय, टेक केअर, सी यू अगेन, थँक यू.